You probably have a small pile of cash sitting in a digital app right now because a friend finally paid you back for dinner last week. Usually, that money just sits there in a digital limbo until you remember to transfer it to your bank. That is exactly the friction this little piece of plastic wants to eliminate. We are talking about a debit card that links directly to your balance. If the money is in the app, it is in your hand. No more waiting 2 business days for a transfer to clear. You can even set it up on your phone the very same day you sign up. That means you are tapping to pay for your morning latte before the physical card even ships. It is a sleek, modern solution for anyone who hates waiting. There are no monthly fees to worry about. There is no minimum balance required to keep the account open. They even let you choose from some pretty bold colors like neon green or deep galaxy purple. It looks cool. It feels fast. But we have to look past the bright colors and talk about the actual value. The big headline is the 5% cashback offer. That sounds like a dream. Most standard debit cards give you absolutely nothing. But you have to read the fine print on those tiers. To hit that 5%, you have to send at least $500 of your paycheck there every single month. If you just turn on the auto reload feature, you might see 2%. For the casual user who just spends what friends send them, you are likely looking at a flat 1%. 1% is fine, but it is not going to change your life. You also need to think about how you get your cash. There is a massive network of 40,000 ATMs where you can grab bills for free. That is a huge plus for accessibility. However, if you use an ATM outside that specific network, you are getting hit with a $2.50 fee. That can eat into your balance very quickly. Then there is the issue of customer service. This is a non-weak spot. People report frequent account freezes and a lot of trouble when trying to dispute a charge. If something goes wrong, you might find yourself stuck in an automated loop. But the most important thing to remember is that this company is not a bank. Your balance only gets federal insurance protection under very specific conditions to their partner institutions. Many users assume their money is totally safe. But that assumption is worth double-checking if you are holding a lot of cash there. It is a fantastic tool for small daily spending. It makes using your app balance effortless. But for anyone trying to maximize rewards or find a secure place for their life savings, a dedicated bank account will always win. It is a convenience play. Use it for the quick lunch or the grocery run, but keep your major funds somewhere with a solid foundation. You have to know the difference between a handy tool and a financial home. This card is a great tool, but it is not a fortress. Know what you are working with before you move your whole life into an app.